In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix MFC71.dll missing on your Windows 11. So let's get started. Go to the Windows search bar and type CMD. Click the option Run as Administrator. Type SFC space / scan now. Scan now, just one word and no space in between, and hit enter. The system scan will begin, so simply wait for the process to be 100% completed. And once this is completed, just type exit in the command prompt window and restart. Next method, you can also consider to reinstall the program that is giving you the error. Click on the start button and then you have to go to settings. From the list of options on the left pane, click on apps, installed apps. Locate the application that is giving you the error. Click on the three dots and select uninstall. Also consider to update your Windows. Click on Windows Update on the left pane and click the button right here. Okay? Next method, check your system type. Search for system information. Take note of your system type. And then you just have to simply open a browser and search for Visual C++ Redistributable and hit enter. Click on the first option. Scroll down and click the download link corresponding to your system type. Wait for this to be downloaded from here. And then double click. Check this box. I agree to the license terms and conditions and click on the install button. So install the latest Visual C++ to your Windows 11. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.